Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to contact Microsoft by phone and get live support in 2026. If you need help with your Microsoft account, Windows, Microsoft 365, Xbox, or other Microsoft products, here's how to reach the right support team. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and visit the official Microsoft support website. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account if you're prompted to do so. Choose the product or service you need help with. Then describe the issue you're experiencing. Microsoft will show the available support options based on your product and region. If phone support is available, select the option to request a callback or view the customer support phone number for your country. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect with a Microsoft support representative. Before calling, have your Microsoft account details, product information, and any error messages ready to help speed up the support process. Once you're connected, explain your issue clearly and follow the representative's instructions to resolve the problem. And that's it. That's how you can contact Microsoft by phone and get live support in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.